Guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ripple's XRP investment partner Triangular opens payment corridor to UAE. Ripple's investment partner Triangular, the cross-border payment specialist, has opened a new payments corridor to the United Arab Emirates. UAE is now part of the Triangle Connect network, offering instant payments to the second largest Arab economy to its Triangle. Triangle announced that it can now offer quick and settlements funds transfer to the UAE thanks to a single interest partnership with the country's banking network. Payment security is ensured via validation of the beneficiaries' details against the Emirates ID passport or GCC national ID, states Triangle. Commenting on the development, Jack Lee, CEO of Triangle, said, "In 2019, we helped Etisalat launch UAE's first international urgent transfer, benefiting millions of people. Today, our latest payment corridor will benefit many more seeking to remit funds to the countries." He continued, "After months of the fine-tuning our API connection and interbank switching protocols, we are confident that your cross-border business partners can now offer untable follow-up to their customers." The offering is part of Triangle Middle East expansion program. The UAE, the second largest economy in the Arab Gulf, is one of the top remittance senders and receivers in the world. According to the company, the latest offering is part of Triangle Middle East expansion program, which focuses on infrastructural investment and network building to aid super channels with high growth potential. Triangle also said that its direct-to-bank payout service is available for individual senders and beneficiaries. Payments to most major banks in UAE are processed and credited within the same day, subject to terms and conditions, the company states. Triangle described itself as one of Asia's leading cross-border payment hub. The provides smart service not only for airtime for taps, but also for remittance and business payments. Armed with a global network, Triangle prides itself on partnering a technology that makes cross-border transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. Furthermore, the company points out that with Triangle Connect, companies can immediately make payments to over 25 countries reliably and securely. On the flip side, while risks are displayed with the SEC, we expect to harm and platform Ripple is managing to expand and remix technology. Crypto companies are identifying the Arab Gulf as a key region for the cross-border payments industry, especially in recent months due to post-pandemic recovery, travel representation, and increase in the production. Triangle pointed out that in 2020, the UAE recorded $42 billion and $6 billion in remittance outflows and inflows, respectively. In the first quarter of 2022, the country recorded 8% in growth, lending to the Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank pending and whopping 6% growth this year, which would be the biggest since 2011. Central finance platforms have taken a huge aggressively hit to poor risk control, but different finance protocols haven't aspects unscathed either. So, is DEFI or CEFI likely to emerge stronger with the current period of turmoil, or is the future likely to some sort of hybrid of the two? In a battle between DEFI, fake employees and social attack, crypto recruiting and minefield. A joint committee of the United States Uniform Law Commission (ULC) and the American Law Institute (ALI) financed amendments to Uniform Commercial Code (UCC) according the specific of digital asset transaction and crypto as correctly secured financing. The amendments are recommended for incentives in all the states, although its case of the final inspection may vary depending on state. ATH, our blockchain, is slated for one of the biggest updates since its inspection. Others will transition to a proof of stake (POS) mining considers from its series of work (POW1). The merged data is secured for September 15 of the successful Gorilla testnet integration, no final testnet merger before the actual transaction either. ATH, the native token, was on a bullish surge after the announcement of the merge date in July, with the ATH price rising to a new 6 months high over the $2,000 but failed to contest the critical resistance. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.